Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to learn the bounding box. If you're a beginner with Illustrator, then you need to know what is actually this bounding box. First, we need to draw something. To draw, we are going to use this rectangle shape. You can see there's a box which is called a bounding box, and where you can hide and unhide that bounding box. If I click on this view menu, down there we have this hide bounding box and the shortcut is shift control B. Click to hide the bounding box. Shift control B, you can see back the bounding box. What's open filled actually? Let me get the direct selection tool, and here I'm going to select this anchor point and delete this. Now if I get my selection tool, so you can see the bounding box, and I can rotate this. And if I want to hide that, simple, I need to click on this view menu, and you can find that hide bounding box, which I can use the shortcut shift control B. Click here to hide that. If you want to see, you can use the shortcut to see this. But there is one problem. I want to reset my bounding box. Maybe I want to reset that for different design projects. Maybe I'm going to face this kind of a bounding box on the selected shape, so I need to reset that. So how you can reset that? You can just right click with the selected object, and we need to go to this transform, and we have this reset bounding box. If I click here, so it's going to reset the bounding box just like this. As you can see, now I can scale this. But if I want to do this again, reset on bounding box, so still it is the same, nothing is going to change. But if I want to rotate this, and now I want to reset that, reset on bounding box, so simple, you can see I can reset that bounding box. So the main problem here with my shape, when there is open field means that, as we did on the anchor point that we just select that and removed, again we're going to do this and delete this, but it's going to remove the whole shape that we don't want to. But if I want to see this in control Y in outline mode, so you can see it's already open failed because there is no path available, and you can hold control Y to exit from outline mode. And now if I select my shape and I'm going to remove the fill color, so you can see only we have two paths available in this shape. So this is how we can hide and hide the bounding box, and also we learned how to reset the bounding box for the open filled shapes with Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next